Okay, EHSDL1. Codes continuous, march time, code 3, pulse, slow march time, 2001 march time, single stroke, 10 minutes of 9. High school posted. Change winter fall. Okay, continuous. Okay. Code 3. March time. The slow march time. Pulse. Okay, 2001 march time. Okay, whatever this code is. All across string stroke. Or one stroke at a time. Okay, middle school. High school, I've only pulses before. I'll do a bit. I'll do the mimic as if it was in zone 4. Pretty much goes like that. Those goals along for 2901-9838 on the 9101 stroke plates. Mounted on large back boxes in the hallway. They were very quiet. They were just loud enough so you could hear them in the room. And Tennessee High has, well, Well, my high school has Simplex True Alerts, and Vance's fire alarm panels are 4002, and the Tennessee Highs, yeah, that's the kind of school, that's the name of the school I go to. Its alarm panel is a Simplex 4100U, and they aren't True Alert speaker strobes, they're True Alert horn strobes. They're in the hallway, I've heard them several times. We haven't had too many false fire alarms or fire drills this past year, but there's been more false fire alarm incidents. Next year I plan on videoing a fire drill at the school to let you see. Okay, that's it. Pretty much. Thanks for watching.